foundation shades to look different than they actually do in real life. How much truth there is behind that, who knows? Where's the alleged wacky filter at? Huh? Where is it? Where is it? That photo didn't do our shade ranges justice. Girl, this tea is hot. Where's my napkin at? Hold on. This can't be real. Lordy Jesus. Lordy Jesus. Lordy Jesus. No, sis. Just not. Just don't even bother. Just not. So out of 32 shades, only 7 are for black women. 2 are orange, so no one can wear them except Donald Trump. So really, it's 5 shades for black women. Girl, truth, preach. Trend mood, sis. 32 shades doesn't equal inclusivity. Damn, you really trying to promote this shade range? Shake my head. Trendmood doesn't support it. She's just promoting it because that's her job. This is Darkgate Part 2. Okay, hold up. This girl is legit comparing foundation shades to Watergate. Girl, looking like the DNA of the people who think they're more interesting because their MyHeritage test came back with some African in it. Now that's some tea. How do you have 24 light shades and 8 for women of color? Just throw the whole campaign and foundation away. Embarrassing. Now that's what I call a sister speak out. Love that. Where are the rest of the shades though? All the hype for 50 shades of vanilla. Like literally. Vanilla extract is quite dark if you didn't know. Well then. I can't. 32 shades of what? Just because you have a large number of shades doesn't make it inclusive. This is a really weird photo. Out of our 32 blends, we have 7 deep and 7 tan/deep. Excited for you to see it in real life, and we have more content coming on our page. Okay, for sure. So they could make every color for a beauty blender, but can't make a decent color range for a foundation. Yeah, it's a no from me. Bruh, one of those shades is orange. The only person that shade would match is Donald Trump. They deadass have a shade for a carrot pie. LMAO. Quite disappointed, but not surprised. The orange one is for Donald Trump. He's on the PR list. Okay, this last one is actually from Twitter, and it was in response to a tweet from Jeffree Star, but it was so funny, I just have to include it. Trump is gonna give us the nicest and unexpected get ready with me night out with Boone and foundation review ever. Like, can you imagine Trump and Putin doing a get ready with me, and Trump is just over here beating his face, and Putin's like, hey Trump, what foundation shade are you using? And he's like, oh, you know, orange by Beauty Blender. Putin, this foundation is